This striking knot is called the Cape knot, glowing up at number 18 in the top 50 knots. Put our beacon tie over your neck with the blade on the right. Adjust the blade to a little above your belt. Pinch the blade and form the neck loop by taking the tail over the blade. Take the tail up through the neck loop and then down to the right. Form the face by taking the tail behind the knot and then back in front of the knot. Form the right ear by taking the tail up through the neck loop and then down to the right. Create the back loop by taking the tail behind the knot again and then down through the neck loop. Lift up your tie and you'll see the back loop, which you can loosen and take the tail down through it. This is where the knot starts showing off like Clark Kent after a costume change. Tighten the right ear by pulling to the left and tighten the left ear by pulling down on the tail. Cinch the knot by holding the blade and pushing up on the knot. Not too tight though, we're tying knots, not cutting off circulation. Shake to get it just right, channel your inner Michelangelo, but with silk. Voila, that is the Cape knot. I think we should call it the Pharaoh Hound knot if you ask me. It looks like a dog with a cape coming off its head. Either way, it's sure to fetch some compliments. This handsome woven silk necktie is called Beacon, and it helps fight human trafficking. More info in the link below. What do you think this knot looks like? Meet me in the comments if you have any thoughts. If you weren't able to get this tied, elevate your suit by folding a pocket square with this video. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button to learn more knots for any occasion. As always, gentlemen, keep looking classy. I'll see you at the top.